Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of MIXuP Mania with your host Shy the Empress. And people, Jamaica always a keep, okay? Jamaica always a keep, be a MIXuP always a one, okay? So let's get right into the video. First up we have Queenie versus Cheese. No, Cheese has been milking this situation with this boy and RT and everything, and Queenie feel like said Cheese need for done now. She milk it, she turn it, and she turn it in a cheese, and she can done now.
He's always rooting for that woman.
Yeah, she come for me. She came for me. She literally came for me because I'm blasting up RT Diddy. So I can't believe I hear it clear now in your voice, bitch.
My God, man.
Yeah, because I remember watching a video a long time on Instagram.
Yes, I said, we don't want to say no, but no, me go chop out the sal. Big fuck out to a Queenie. Long time, big man. Long time, hold that shaky floor clot, no blood clot. You can't talk to nobody. You're done. You're done right out. Nothing you have. You're oxy. And that is just about it. We'll start bring down people. Me bring down me big pussy Queenie. Queenie, that man tell lie for me and said I grape little girl. So how me not to bring him down when him in real life I him grape little girl? You there England now, like if I hear that call for my name, it's so good, man. Eh? It is okay. Just because him do something for you and him do something wrong and you back him. It's okay. The world just gone to the dog. And that's it.
Yeah, because allegations like that is serious. And he just
Exactly, and upon my name him call it first. Remember him call it by my name first. Oh, me beating him affect you. Oh, me beating him affect you. So good, Queenie, in real life. Oh, me beating a man will call my name for something that I have no clue of. And in real life, the real truth come out about him and him not forget beaten. Queenie, that's so pussy, girl. I mean, know that long time. I never know you hate me this much. But it's okay.
I just think
Just
she
being an enemy,
doesn't
bitch.
know the whole story, or she probably doesn't remember.
She must not remember, she don't know nothing.
Yeah.
Like she have blood clots, say so. I go post him now on my Instagram. I go look for the live of the people I'm sending. When him and Bling are there on live, and I show a picture with me and my baby father and I talk about how much we have all AIDS. Like, come on now. I should not fucking put it down on this man. Queenie, what you said to me, or what you really and truly said to me, big pussy, long time, big man. What you really said, me, nothing deal with him. Queenie, check yourself, come here and do the same thing. Me and you are the same thing. You make them slide. I not make them slide because when in the class, you class him back. So when in my class, me know. Me if you allow him to class me and me shut my mouth. Queenie, you lick your head. Queenie, you have to lick your head. You just run up in this and you don't know nothing about this. You don't know nothing about this. You see and you hear me, I beat him. You know the reason why me I beat him? You know the reason why me I beat him? Fuck a girl. Stinking girl will kill her for that. Eh? You know why me I beat him? Me I beat him can tell a big lie for me. And the real truth come out with the name now. Deal with it. Deal with blood clot it. Fucking bright. With your all hole. With your all ugly. When somebody send back Queenie pussy to me, then I next phone. Then I phone the police them. And when they can send back Queenie big stinking hole to me through my Instagram, please somebody. You must feel like I gonna mash up a page just see a big ugly hole. I'm not care. Oh. I have 1,000 on the chair on okay page and then you go chuck out your pussy. It is a disgrace of a woman, queen dog. Queen bitch. It is a disgrace of a woman. I mean, not getting up off of you. Or else we go hear this, and that's why you come down. You know? You must say mad. Don't laugh.
Jesus, I'll stop this.
Me do. I always me, right? A queen call up my name for her life.
What's your call it?
I'm clear. I'm clear.
I got me as my daughter, but yeah.
Biggest blood clotting, said Judge Rye. Remember, darling, accept the son of two titty, wig long ear, fingernail, breast sexy flat belly. Come on, stop put down people, man. Stop it, man. Bumper clan, man. People have life, man. People have going back family. Culture and
Big pussy Queenie, me not have the life. Me not have the life. Fuck out, big woman. Me not have the life. When RTD come for live with so much thousands of people there on it, and I say, me, cheese, I might be for the old young little girl and grape them. Me not have no life. Me not have no life, Queenie. Eh?
Cha-cha.
What is it? When we did Jamaica and have no blood clot because one of my husband when I'm not
You have a husband.
I said, I go to him, come and say, Queenie. So I take that out, you have to pay me. Work now.
Love and I chose a baby with a man. Pull up outside and catch up on the
Hey, big one.
What's up?
I must say, what's up, auntie?
Understand me? Keep that the biggest blood clot things to Central Dubai. Remember, darling, accept your son have two titty, wig long hair, fingernail, breast, sexy flat belly. Come on, stop.
But yeah, I wish.
How you gonna come from somebody where you and them not have no problem?
You tell you we're rude for you.
Me. You kill Rochelle, Queenie. Queenie, lady gangster from England with piss bed like blood clot, dog. Mama, you need a pampas, no blood clot. How dare you gonna come for me for RT Diddy? Huh?
Tell you.
Ah! Queenie, you don't even know you're the big old one. Big pussy Queenie, you don't know what you do. In a real life, RT called my name first, bitch. You didn't know the story go for you come around your big dick sucker? Eh? When you come around your big dick sucker on the blood clot media, you didn't know what go down? You could have never know what go down if you come around your big dick sucker over here in a real life. That truth.
You know?
Pull up outside and catch up on the days.
Hold on. Yeah, remember
Yeah,
call
don't worry. All right, yeah. She no gangster no saint. Gangster, the reason why she take up for RT bus because these are the things she do to people.
Can't no girl.
And Diane Gatti was a little girl. Them time Diane Gatti young, you know? And Diane Gatti in a, you know, young and nice, clean skin and in a dance and sitting. And a little naive girl, them she and Angela Parr and them little girl there at the
Who is
time.
Diane Gatti again? A two Diane Gatti then.
Diane, you know, I don't know if you know Diane.
Diane from Brixton South or not, Diane this?
Yeah, Diane Gatti from South.
From South Brixton?
Yeah, Diane Gatti. All right, yeah, Diane
Diane a friend, you know. Where say I'm coming from? Remember me left England from Jesus was a boy.
Diane Gatti, man. Diane Gatti.
Just run the story, come. Let me say me here.
She like pick up the people them like herself. Her artist just like her.
How quite gonna girl? Good.
Diane Gatti. You know, Diane Gatti, they do, you know, they do a little hustling and thing. Anyway, you can't hustle because he's a
Right, you can't know the hustling.
Nothing never fit do with no fucking. Sorry,
No.
fucking.
Because they are not thief. They are not that. Listen, the whole way a thief here. So you don't have to dress up nothing.
No, me not talk about me say nothing to do with no hawking. Because I don't want to say the word.
Right.
Cash out roadie.
And,
yeah, and you know, man, be people rate her like how they rate you.
yeah, I know that.
Be people they rate her and like, you know, man, we say like, they and my hold on this number coming, more your girl and know enough people, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
So, gangster, tell her man, say, anybody she hear, she friend you, and if you tell her, say, you zoop, like, what she do?
Hustle, right.
Yeah, she go to her man, and she and her man talk to think how them are going to come for you.
Make them take, just use the right
Yeah.
way.
And then them come for her. And when them come for her, she angel in the house, them fuck them off. And then when them fuck them off, the two girl them in the house, fuck off the girl them. And then gangster, I got look on Diane Gatti as if he suck her cunt, her front,
Jesus Christ, yuck.
her nunk. And Diane Gatti say, before me suck your nunk, you mad? Her man piss pan Diane Gatti.
Jesus Christ, I wish man this
And when her
again.
man piss pan Diane Gatti, and I said,
The baby father or the man that she did there with last?
the man, the dead man.
The baby father.
No,
the dead one.
What your name again? Cause she fuck out I know.
No.
Wash. Bees, you know bees?
No.
You know,
Bees and her did end up in the last.
yeah,
No. She call it. Wasp.
yeah,
Wasp?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All
Was.
them do know. Diane Gatti though, so she not take no more F. And a wicked thing them a do to them. Diane Gatti say before she met them, bring her down like that. On top of all them fuck off she and the girl. And piss pan her. She prefer dead.
Jesus Christ, I wish you hear this happen. Never there in
And
England when
Diane
this
Gatti
happen.
up on a 3-story building and chuck off.
I never know about this data.
Alright. Diane Gatti chuck off.
Hey,
And when Diane Gatti chuck,
girl power.
Diane Gatti broke her 2 foot, her 2 hand back chest. Diane Gatti
Jesus Christ, God Almighty.
Carrying them closet.
England, and them would tell us here to me attack. And when Diane Gatti broke up, poor Diane Gatti up until put the little set together. Diane Gatti used to come out nice and clean in her ears. She cannot wear heels up until today. They appear wedge Diana for a year.
God Almighty.
The gangster you is not saying, don't come for cheese.
Right outside that she know I'm having gland lock. Me not for asking her information and me tell her that.
Yeah.
See there, and the first me I hear about this to mama blood clot and then Katia, I'm a friend, you know. Jesus Christ. You know,
Oh, see, she a bad, her conscience a bit out her.
Yeah, ask Diane about this story.
And then, number
Mad.
yeah, true me I tell you. Diane,
I know much story she talk.
Then how much people need fear cheer for she? Enough people don't know about it.
No, sir. She's done up, Queenie. She's done up, Queenie. No, sir. And that is that on that. Okay, period. She meant what she said, and she said what she meant. Okay, moving right along. So next up we have Rosalie versus Raja. So Rosalie and Raja has been back and forth, but Raja a one Rosalie. He must bakar. Him after bakar.
So if you and Raja have something, me just a say no, because I know you no head hurt. You don't feel like say, you should have just talk differently apart from the media.
Miss B, that's if I keep our match, right? You know what I'm saying? Raja wants something chop over train line. Raja can't put a, so Rosalie, which part I see you name train line? I'm tell him. So that's if I keep our match. I show me say, Rosalie, that's if I keep our match, you know. Oh, me not see you pop up, what go on? You know gonna call me. So you call me ask me name train line. Yes, so the boy have blood clot cross it. Or you can call me for other things.
Alright.
Or you can give people my number for other things. So it's when them fall off, them out and look a come back off a girl name. Watch out when Roger that rain triple call me name. When Roger that rain miss me never sleep on Roger back.
Let me ask you one question. Raja did call your name Rosalie when Raja argue?
Yeah. Yes.
You know, say that me in Rosalie.
Raja talk, Nassif now say nothing. Till she take me until she know one next time my poke. Me now put cheap on practice. If him want Nassif as him shoot and him shoot only because Raja come, I call my name, but him not call Stanley because Nassif send Stanley 15 Lion, 14 Universe, full out him gift gallery, how much in weeks straight, and him want to send back one Universe, and one sitting. Him want 2 shirts by me, him the want 2 shirts by him, and me talk about 2 him rather send 9 pussy clat Lion.
The next one.
But one snipe come yesterday, after I remember, you know, support your gift for them, pussy wall. She come talk it yesterday, I support him, gift a blood clot them. So, after the one I'm gift to them, I want 2 of them support and that's it. But I say, if they say a son of my son, you always say a pussy clot batty man. You come kill me. Tired of one on TikTok. Yeah. You come kill me and I'm a pussy. Tired of one on this pussy clot, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I talk it publicly, you know, I'm not afraid. Kill me and I'm a pussy, I'm a battle, I'm tired of one on TikTok. Woman come talk to him, though, supportive of blood clot, she shoot for him, and then we support him on podium. When did that rain? Nobody never tell you to take your money by 2-man bike. Remember on the walk and look protection and buy fuck.
You see how me get the story? Me ear say.
Yeah.
Me ear say. Oh, me get the story. Me ear say Raja never calling him dep on him live a cuss. That's what me ear.
He never call my name.
No, same dep on the live a cuss. He never call your name. But because you never come at the match. But listen, I don't know nothing. But because you never come at the match, you take up upon your head and think say I hear my talk. So me ear.
Come in boy. You never call my name, Miss B.
Annie.
Yeah, you me never did
You never call my name, Miss B.
I don't know, ask someone, you know. Tell me I tell on me body now. I know this blood clot, you know. Oh. I'm finished this so. I'm gonna hear what she has say.
So she keep for a match. Alright, you never tell me. When we are playing best out of tray with the 2 game and dig off. With the 8 nuggets. Come remember every blood clot thing.
Liar tell. Liar tell nothing over there shoot. And me and talk about the match. She shoot for you and I shoot for me. You're a liar girl.
With the wicked blood clot cells.
No wicked more than your gill under your neck. You're gonna never kill your poopa girl. No wicked more than the gill under your neck.
She always support me. So not like I'm go back and support her.
Move on a blood clot. No wicked more than your gill. But the blood clot there, never get nothing out of your mouth. Hey girl, never beg you nothing. Never blood clot stop your food. What you mean by wicked?
But don't come top side. You ain't playing a week. Gone. You ain't playing a week. I'm on a Thursday. You ain't play a Wednesday.
Not talk about blood clot wicked.
You ain't play.
Hey girl, never kill nobody for you.
Play. We play a best sort of try to win. The 2 game, we play the 2 game and win. So I'm leave with 6 nuggets. Someone else can't talk about like say you could have tell me say you have massive kid something. Pass through. How they gonna know that?
She know about the blood clot match. Rosalie a liar. Rosalie lie like blood clot. So I want to give her Oscar for blood clot lying. But she don't know about the match. Rosalie lie like Rosalie lie in a blood clot. She's a liar storybook. She's a liar storybook.
Sometimes people will provoke you and provoke you and provoke you till you feel like you need to box them in them face. I feel like that is the situation here. I don't know how this is going to go on because Rosalie is a woman, Raja is a man. We're gay. So I don't know if him want to fight Rosalie or I'm going to fight Rosalie man. But he must say him outside. Rosalie I say she can put money on him head because Rosalie is a rich bitch. Okay. And if she wants you gone, she can just drop her money on your head and boom, you're gone. Okay, because Rosalie got it. Like that. So anyways, people, remember know only thing about that one in the comments. Hopefully it's just back and forth on the internet like they do's. And nobody try to hurt nobody in a real life because we don't want that. Especially man and woman. What y'all do? Go get a woman to come fight Rosalie if you really want to fight her, okay? Moving right along. So next up we have TikTok police versus Blinger. So from the last video, I want to see what did I go on with she and him and him never that defend her or whatever the case may be. Apparently, he must come on our live again and apologize. And want them to be good again because them is a team. Okay?
But me and you forgot chat. You can talk so. What you mean?
I tell you say sorry for what go on one day. Me there, see me. Like yesterday me did on my live. It was just all fun and games for me. I also lost Spangy eye. It was all fun and game for me, you see me, so.
When you play the RT, you keep on repeatedly and play the RT on me?
Yeah.
That was fun and game? You didn't mean that? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, I fuck up, man. Guy, fuck up. But here I go on. Baby girl, I'm very sorry for no say you hold up your head and you look at me like somebody when enough people even do that. You see me? I may have fuck up.
Why am I mute? Why he's muting?
Well, I'm telling the camera.
He taught him blood clot. Mama, what go on?
How are you?
I told they are cussing, man. That's why it have to do. I will cuss out in blood clot, man, you know.
What you think about the whole situation?
My point of view of the thing is, the thing good. I saw it go at the media, two hours at. Me so me say you say what you say. But I wanna way the dog should have say yo mama rare, you know? Never so brawling. You get what me I say?
Yeah, but him have it like one of the time him a gimmicks it out fully. You know, like gimmicks it out and it raise eyebrows, make you think, what the fuck is this, you know? Let's say me give you a chance. What if it happen again? What you want me to do?
Might all happen again.
People, me just sum up say, TikTok police and Blinger are entertainers, so are they doing entertainment. Cause regardless if them there or if them a friend, I don't think she and him there because last time we heard upon our live chat about our baby father, nobody don't know our baby father, our husband, or whatever the case may be. So she and the situation with TikTok police, I don't really know. I don't really care. If never genuine before, if never genuine now. Keep it pushing, like whatever. Moving on. So now for some good news, we got Skillibeng and the BET Award show. So you people know say Skillibeng and the Tyler have a song together. Well, it's really not a song. In the intro, and it's for our song. So she decided to bring him out on stage, and the man came and did him look a sentence intro, and everybody was loving it until the video starts circulate around and the Jamaican people them start have a laugh at it and I start to put them own spin to what was going on.
Original, girl, you are no replica. Smoothie, no regular, tequila. But if you real long, you on my cellular. You know, say you hot.
First of all, big up Skilly, but no man naga dance like that around me. No man naga. And one of them a dirty wire, you know, like can fly a nigga in the air. See man, a dirty head a spin like propeller. Another man a grab up him catch his stairs, so. How would the blood? But we can't blame Skilly because Skilly is a professional. Skilly is a career. Focus over feelings. But call me a conspiracy theorist. I'm a business, but I feel like it's a collaborative effort to destroy the little bit of masculinity we left on the earth we reside in Jamaica. Because everywhere else we go and try dismantle.
Well, congratulations, Skillibeng, being on that stage. It wasn't necessarily your performance, so me understand why there was a lot of man on the stage. Regardless what, it's fair performance, it's fair show, it's fair setup. If that's the way she did want it, Eve never have no opinion about that, and it's not film song. It's not like same have a feature, really. Him just did the intro. Okay, it wasn't that serious. I'm glad say him go up on stage and get him name out there so he would get more business, him face out there so people would talk, you know, him can network and move on and go up in the ranks in the music business. Okay, congratulations. I will hope more doors continue opening for you and you do more music. Okay, moving right along. Keep the good news going. Keeping the good news going. We have Mr. Beast and Jamaica. So everybody know Mr. Beast. Everybody know Mr. Beast. Him is like one of the biggest YouTuber, and him always like try to give back to the world, I guess. You know, him go around, him help people out, him go around, him build things, him do crazy things too. but him is very charitable, and recently he was down in Jamaica building houses and giving them to people, and the people them was very, very thankful, very, very happy of his aid. Check it out.
Like this next family, whose house is so unsafe and unstable that it could literally collapse on them at any given moment. So you built this place?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah, I brought boards and all materials, they see.
But we're on top of a mountain, so you carried all this material up this mountain.
Yep. On my head.
Wow. We knew we wanted to build this family a house. So we sent them on a mini vacation so that we had enough time to work with our partners to build them a brand new home. You're about to witness a family that lives in this house go to living in this house. And I cannot wait to see the look on their faces.
Oh my.
What you're looking at is your brand new home.
Wanna say thanks for him going out and doing all that charitable thing. We love to see it, okay? And the people them really appreciate what they do. Me as a Jamaican, me really appreciate that, because me want to get to a place where me can do that too. You know what I mean? We love to see it. We love to see it. Moving right along. Okay, Jamaica. Maybe I should have done that story at first, but Jamaica versus the hurricane. Okay, so listen. The people them just get them house. The people them just get them house. Do not go blow on the people them house, okay? Let the people them enjoy them house in peace, okay? Let the people them enjoy them house in peace. I see the warnings all over. It all come on news up here on CNN and Fox. So it come like it's a big deal. We all know that Jamaica go good after the hurricane. We get hurricane all the while. Hoping everybody stays safe, stock up of water and everything, so that when the hurricane pass, we will still be alright. In spite of this hurricane saga, the Jamaican people them still a go out, them still a go have fun, them still a go make everything a joke and turn everything in a laugh.
What can go so? What can go so? Eh? Tell me. Talk to me. Reporting live. That's the good news. There's terrible in Florida right now. They're actually moving away. Getting away. Stop getting away. Anything could help us. Cash up. PayPal. Berly. Stop moving away in Florida right now. What a girl win, Bessa. What a girl win. I'm going to a territory by check. Heart attack. People dying.
We all know it's a hurricane season now. Everybody are braced for the hurricane. Prayers to Jamaica. Although we know that Jamaica go good, we still have to cover them. Make sure that everybody good. Everybody still in good health after the hurricane has passed. Nobody no lose them house. Nobody no lose them life. Okay. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Moving right along. So next up we have Julio and The Grave. So this American rapper has been making rounds on social media for the type of music he does. Now, I personally know him from a song where he was like, I never even know if it was a real song. I see it on like Instagram or something. It was a video and it was like, take got shot, then got dropped, damn, they got popped. I never know if that was a real song, but apparently it is a real song. And those people did really die. Like, that is him thing. Him just rap about people who dead, people who him supposedly, yeah, and like stuff were going on in life, and the apps were not having it. them warn him all these times. They make several attempts off him life already. Him even rap about that himself. And then now him have a birthday party, and unfortunately, you know, to the surprise of no one, because if you check it out, when him did our say, oh, him have birthday party, and him say everybody can come and DM him, and he must send out the address. Everybody on the internet did I want him, I say, listen, this is not a good idea. You know, the people them after you, this, that, and the third, and him still went out and do it anyways, and this was the outcome.
Do you feel like you got money on your head?
I done heard a few rumors in the streets, but yeah, something like
because
that.
I've heard you say that before. I've heard multiple people say that before publicly, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, is it a crazy figure? Are we talking big money, or is this just bullshit? Or, I mean, is around what 100?
I heard that. I heard 50 one time. I heard 80 one time.
Even fuck my birthday, man. Everybody coming up to spell. No cap, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We deep as hell.
Subscription, bro.
He got shot, I bet. I wouldn't be surprised if he took meter.
People die every day by accident, gun violence, whatever. Okay. Unfortunately, this dude feel like, oh, because him escaped death so many times, him on top of the world, and him let him guard down. Him let him guard way too much down. And if you're gonna live a certain kind of lifestyle and be a certain kind of person, you have to move a certain kind of way. You can't get too comfortable ever. Cause you don't even safe in your own house, much less at a hotel, at an Airbnb, a host party. I give you location to random strangers on social media. Are you crazy? You know, condolences to the family, because them have to deal with this loss. But I hope like this wise up more people, although you're not gonna wise up nobody, because it's kind of like, you know, you make your bed, you have to lay into it, because they've been taunting these people, taunting them, and them got him. They got him. That's all I gotta say about that. Moving right along. So next up we have Chanel Muir versus our ex. So people, Mercedes did a brew, and it's like it finally came ahead, cause she say must thief money from her, him say him never thief no money from her, him a say him advice no we can end her career, she a say him is a waste man. It is just messy. Like super messy.
Engine for Benz.
Yeah, your engine, your Benz engine mash up, you see a $1.1 million for me give you 350,000 to put on the car, you did that drive me around.
Now get the engine for your Benz. So yeah, say yeah, I can't talk to you about engine for Benz.
No, Mr. Me help you buy it.
For true.
What you say?
That nah add up for
It not add up.
Yes,
The math's wrong.
really hard. I don't know all of the things that I do. But listen.
What you mean, me I don't know all of the things them want me do? What me do?
Meaning, me I know all of this spin on the all of it.
No, but that's not what you tell everybody, Travis. You tell, I be a liar, you tell for me. That is not what you tell everybody. Even up to last night, they go say, oh, you give me money. You give me money, you know. If you put me use my card for buy the bed, you know say that not true. I mean, I respect that, brother. You understand what I say? You go tell, what make you tell such a lie like that, Travis? What make you keep on and tell lie, back a lie, to make me look bad? Give me a ear.
I know you say everything on your do, but listen. Yeah, sure, you say say, yeah, I'm gonna take things on this and this, me.
So Travis, if you go to Meds Museum, you go Meds. Listen, Travis, what make you do me what you do me over this money business? If you so what you feel say me supposed to react to it. So me supposed to know say me not responsible for something. Zine and me take up my money same way. What? What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring, Travis? What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring?
You know, my man, so if him say rare, me I go look into it and try to be objective. You understand what I say? So after me go on him say him not like it and him not think say it worth the buy. I say little after that, the boy sell for him car and go buy the same type of car when me go down to go look pan.
If you know my car.
Them time you know. But don't dip in the money the long time and pay 2 bills and pay something. So I don't have the money for buy the car yet. You understand what I say? Me frightened. Me frightened. I say, me hold it, you know. Me hold it. Me not say no.
This whole situation with she and her man, it's sticky. One thing, you know, when Uno left and it just done and I just eat that. But when Uno left and Uno back and forth and I release each other's secret and attack each other's business, like, don't do that. If Uno left, Uno just left and just let it be. Why Uno dig up each other's dirt and me not like them things there. Me not like them things there. That's why you have to care for who you're there with, you know. That's why you have to care for who your wife up, who your husband up, who you sleep with, who you have baby with, cause this shit is sticky. And me no want left with no man and him come on the internet with my business. And if me left no man, me not come on the internet with our business. Me not think that is nobody else's business for no our business. Cause me no business, none nobody business. Okay. Moving along. As we are talking about know who you sleep with, who your wife, who your man, is supposed to also know who your friend. Cause up next we have RT versus Miss Bling. I know people, I did not see this coming. I did not see this coming. Mind you, I don't really watch RT and Bling, so I just recently start watch them. And the first time when I just start watch them when them did broke up the first, what me say broke up? When them did follow the first time. So it means like you and I follow and you and I are friend and you got diss her up. So now me could never have my friend and them a diss me up. So when she and him becomes back friend, means like, oh, maybe that's a them dynamic. You know what I'm saying? So I missed this whole Spice drama, right? Miss RT boss, I go class up Bling. This are talk about our dog ratting after this woman did a ride or die for him. Look how she take on Spice. Look how she take on Spice for the man. Look how she take on people for the man. I tell the people them say listen them not, you shouldn't care when nobody say she want proof she was realistically the only person we must see on social media what did I ride for this dude, and that is how him do her. With friends like that you don't need enemy. With friends like that you don't need enemy. I don't know if it's a publicity stunt, but remember I told you, me as a woman, as a Jamaican woman, me not gonna have no man a diss me up them way there. And me and them are go friend back. You mad? Are you mad? You must say last your goddamn mind. And as for you, Blinger, aren't you embarrassed? This is very embarrassing.
With RT. I'm just here with RT boss. Not because the allegation come up against him, me don't want me to run left the man. It don't work so in my book. RT boss has been arrested. So right now we just have to wait. Right now we just have to wait and see the outcome. Because usually when somebody gets arrested, you know, they come out on bail. You as a showman. Okay, we are keep show. Yes, if you tell the people them say you have been arrested. Okay. Me tell people say you have been arrested. Oh, the bomber blood clot, you have been arrested and then dead the next day and live back. Stop it, pussy hole. Me don't want a part of this blood clot no more because you're sick. You're a sick fuck. All of a sudden, me about my business yesterday, me here say you're dead. Which one? Make it make sense. What the fuck are you doing? Can't bother. Me don't want a part of it. So me don't want a part of it is a problem. Me don't want no part of your blood clot fuckery. Me can't take it. Me can't take it. You not make sense. You come talk about me not make sense. You not make sense. You try every blood clot thing. When you act like this, what you think I go happen? Right now you are come out and come class me. Attention you want to take off of you, but it not go come off of you. The attention not go come off of blood clot you. The only thing you do right now is send more people to love me. That's what you do right now. All of my haters them right now supposed to love me right now. That's what you do. You is a little blood clot. You is a little blood clot. I'm tired of you. Me tired of blood clot you. Your torment. You're a torment blood clot. You can't distract nothing over here, so. Nothing over here, so you can't distract. You think this can rub out. Stay with your blood clot allegations are miserable. Go hide your blood clot self. Go hide yourself. Go hide yourself.
You Blinganiers must feel like some ever argue with you. No. Me and the besties them are war from Jesus was Christ. Uno creatures me now war with no blood clot. Me and the besties them, I call the besties them name. Me and the besties them have a bitterness. The whole of we are care belly. We are care water in a pumpkin. So me and the besties them war now don't know. I want thing with me and the besties them, we don't put people in our war. So no matter, every get a joke. Bling the best is them that like you. Let me tell you something about, but she did not try to look what a way about Spice to come around. Bling Spice now come around and nasty Bling. You see from Spice say, big back Blinger, may I keep your number prior. I thought they done. So maybe you never know, let me tell you. You as a Spice end my career, let me tell you how your road go. Big back Blinger, may I keep your number prior. What will you call that now? That is Spice pray for your blood clot. Damn it, over man run you. Hey! So the best if afraid you. Come make a reason. Big back Blinger. May I keep it on my prayer. And the over man run you. Come make a reason, no Bling. Yes, this is Spice pray for your nasty blood clot. Spice 8 and 10 and 25 and pound you. You fuck you gonna talk about. One thing you know, great Spice not like your big back woman. Your name gone international as Big Back Blinger. Fuck you feel like you're a small boy. A while ago the big pussy girl say I'm not RT in, but me I don't know. Hey, the way you bling, the way everybody want to know about your pussy, look how much you must crowd. Bling, for sure you how you, the way everybody want to know your business, look how much crowd. But when I come to tell them, say, I just didn't want to get rid of your nasty blood clot. Tell you, you know, you can't carry news good. And you don't remember information. And I can't work with somebody when me love MIXuP and carry news. When me get the MIXuP, then I bring the MIXuP good. When me get the script, then I script it good. You have a blood clot. You have a memory problem. You fucking up the show. Me you can't work together. When you get the script, then you never have some of the fucking script, and you come out and script out the fucking show. You are a victim. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not in the mood to cuss because I'm really tired. Like, literally, I'm tired. But I just come out here to tell all the bestie and all of them go suck on the mama. And meanwhile, when I suck on the mama, I'm going to tell you guys can't hurt me, you guys can't drain me. So I'm look for shine nice, look at me. You bring down my blood clot, look like 20. Look how me look young and nice. Talk the truth. Look how me look young, fresh, and nice, and brown, and look good by your script. And all I want to bring me down and look like a me. Look at cheese. Hey. Alright, I want to say something about Bling. Bling! Bling, I challenge you to make me meet in person or filter. Bling is an ugly fucker. One secret me I keep for Bling is that Bling ugly. Nah, like, can't keep it no more. So let's go talk it. One secret me I keep with Bling is an ugly bitch. That's why she don't want to buy this young person. That's why she got Jamaica, she hide and she not up in the hotel. And that's why when she died in New York, you can't see her face. And that is why she hold the cup one time. She have the one time the blood clot, one time the filter. He come without filter to blood clot. When I ask her, she ugly. So seriously, me not tell no lie. I swear to God, I swear for my child, me not tell a lie. Being ugly. That's the only thing. So you know? Do you never... I know that at the filter my Bling look so pretty, and this man when him come out look so pretty and his face look shiny and spotless. You ever know that filter? What? Alright, she Bling in a real interview when Ivan in that prison. See man, this is picture in a newspaper. This is, look here. You know, she say I'm a wrestler. Let me show you. Let me show you, blood clot. I'm going to take this thing with joke. Cinderella Ursula. ¿En serio? Look. Tell him. Where's the lion? See? Ursula. Big back bringer.
Regardless what, una friends, una supposed to have boundaries. Yeah, my friend, you're not gonna talk to me a certain way. You hear me? Me not gonna talk to you a certain way. You get me? But me and your friend, me supposed to can tell you certain things. You're supposed to can tell me certain things. But you're not gonna diss me. I'm not gonna take that. I'm not supposed to diss you and you take that. That's not right. You see it? Even if we are argue, me not supposed to cross certain lines. Cause me not expect you to cross certain lines. And why Bling on this blow up in your face? This blow up in your face, goodie. You never seen this one coming. Hopefully, Blinger finally realized, so this is not it. And if it's a social experiment or a prank or whatever, you're dumb as hell. Because ain't no way me I gotta have no man and deal with me them way there for a goddamn prank. There's no much money in the world would I pay me for have no man I talk to me them way there. Anyways, moving on. Next up we have Keith Shabada Ramsey versus Blinger and RT. So Blinger Blinger call me name and she don't know me. So RT I call me name too and him don't know me. So Shabada now. So Shabada is not buying anything RT and Blinger is selling. No time at all. Them can't come here la film yard gate and them come out the road come shop. No sir. Him not buy nothing. Him feel like so the two of them actually in a cahoots and some backdoors money business going on where Blinger must say I get PF or RT must say I get Blinger some money because she come out a live film and she always a live film allegedly. And Bling Shabada just did I give it to them.
RT boss no argument. They are not in any argument. You hear? Them not cost. They are not, people will go to the lowest mean in order to stay relevant. I'm not asking, the more pity Blinger get is the more following she believes she will get. I'm not asking you. Them not genuine. Lati is not lie, me I tell. It's not lie because Blinger can't secure a relationship and I make your friend dog you out. Number one, from your find a man, if when you're an idiot in the group, your friend them can't talk to you anyway. So I don't know wanna come with like una some dance on the net too. Like una forget over the culture. Una want people reculture, una. Why you think them can't come up and tell una anything and una buy it? Because una gullible, very gullible. So certain shenanigans me no go after. Certain shenanigans me no go after. I don't go off certain shenanigans. I leave them alone because all of this are nonsense. All of this are nonsense. No, I'm a dog out Blinger. Blinger a long time before time sore. She had germs. She had drunk crow. Always remember that. Say Blinger dog shit. So you don't take nothing for sure withstand RT this way and RT bring down RT. You don't take her nothing. Always remember say, Bling and come up here and tell her money per life for RT boss. So if him tear her down, she's loyal to him. That's what grip the audience. You never know. And bring pity and Bling aside. So him really leave Blinger's program. Blinger dog shit can't hurt Blinger. That another first RT a dog around. And she's still underneath him. So what's new? What is so surprising to us? That we should be on her side and say, Blinger, be strong. Blinger is doing all of this. Blinger rather deceive Uno in order to gain $1 than to be honest and not gaining a cent. You have to understand what Blinger is loyal to is what is coming into the cash app or PayPal as well. Only one friend, she knows that she's a run with it man and she's a tip. I point out all of the distraction them, you know, goody. The RT not change this. And are you on Blinger time? Are you on the little boy time? Are you on the little boy time? Are you on your body where you can't control? Are you on that we are talking about? Are you we are talking about the driver for the magic school bus? Are you we are talking about, yeah, the founder for Nickelodeon and Disney? Are you we are talking about, hello, come here, caretaker for Neverland? Are you we are talking about? I want to get there for Magic Kingdom. Him we are talking about. Are you we are talking about? Come explain the little boy. Boy drama, come make him trauma. Candy wow. Come explain all of that. So all of the couscous where you have couscous and the talk. It not change the fact so you like the blanket.
One thing I like about Shabada, him always state in mind, and if him feel like saying it wrong, him gonna tell you saying it wrong. If him feel like saying it right, him gonna tell you saying it right. You know what I mean? And that I like about him. Enough of them people there, them be like, oh, I'm a friend, so I'm a friend, so you know what I mean? Just like Bling, me get it, but some place you must can't tell a friend say a friend wrong. You must can't tell a friend say a friend wrong. You know what I mean? Like, just which looks like with she and RT, she say she can't say because our G and I see the CMG come embarrass her ass. So we are gonna see people. We are gonna see if Blingy and RT is gonna get back together and rebuild them castle. Okay, until then, moving right along. And that is it I have for MIXuP Mania today, people. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's